How to customize chat wallpaper on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to customize chat wallpaper on Signal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. To customize a chat wallpaper on Signal, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now go to any conversations in the app. Tap on the name at the top of the chat to open the chat settings. Then tap on Chat Wallpaper. You'll see options like solid colors, gradients, or choose from your gallery to set a custom image. Tap the one you like, preview it, and then tap Set Wallpaper to apply it. This will change the background for a specific chat only. If you want to set a default wallpaper for all chats, go to your profile icon, click on Appearance, and tap on Chat Wallpaper, and pick one there. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna customize that wallpaper on Signal application. Bye bye.